In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Scrum project management in Asana. Let's dive in and transform your project management process step by step using Asana's features. To start, open Asana and create a new project. Here you can choose between different views. I recommend choosing the board view, which follows a Kanban style layout. But if you prefer, list view works just as well. Give your project a clear and specific name like Sprint 1, project name, to keep everything organized. The first step is creating the structure of your Scrum workflow within the board view. Set up sections which will help manage the different stages of your tasks. These include product backlog, where all your ideas, tasks, and features waiting to be prioritized are displayed. This acts as a repository for everything that needs attention. Then there's the sprint backlog, where you select the items meant for your current sprint. Next, the in progress column, which houses tasks that are actively being worked on by your team. After work progresses, it moves to review testing, indicating tasks that are ready for testing or stakeholder review. Finally, once tasks are completed, move them to the done section. Now, let's focus on adding your product backlog items. Enter user stories or specific tasks as Asana tasks. A useful format here is, as a user, I want feature so that benefit. Make sure to include acceptance criteria in the task description to provide clarity on objectives. Add subtasks if needed, breaking down the work into technical steps or design elements, which makes managing larger tasks much more straightforward. Next, it's time to plan your sprint. Set a sprint milestone like sprint 1-2 weeks to set a definitive time frame. Move required tasks from the product backlog to the sprint backlog for this time frame. Assign each task to a team member, making sure that due dates align with your sprint period. This step helps to distribute work evenly and ensures everyone knows their responsibilities. To keep everyone informed, utilize Asana for running daily stand-ups. Use task comments or create a dedicated section named Daily Stand-Up where team members can give brief updates, what they achieved the previous day, their plans for today, and any blockers they might be facing. This regular communication keeps the team aligned and motivated. At the end of your sprint, move all completed tasks to the done column and conduct a review meeting, giving stakeholders insight into what's been achieved. This is also the perfect time to hold a retrospective session. In Asana, keep notes on what went well, areas for improvement, and action items for the next sprint. This crucial reflection helps you continuously improve and enhance future sprints. By following these steps, you're all set to efficiently manage your projects using Scrum in Asana. Happy